SpaceX. Founded by Elon Musk in 2002, SpaceX entered an industry dominated by governments and completely reshaped how the world thinks about reaching space. The core idea was simple but radical. If you could reuse a rocket the way you reuse an airplane, the cost of getting to orbit would fall dramatically. Before SpaceX, every rocket was thrown away after a single use, making space access extraordinarily expensive. The Falcon 1 failed 3 times before finally reaching orbit in 2008. And that same year, NASA awarded SpaceX a resupply contract that kept the company alive. The Falcon 9 followed and became the backbone of modern commercial spaceflight, not just for its reliability, but because its first stage could land itself vertically after delivering a payload to orbit. Watching a booster touch down on a pad looked like science fiction the first time it happened in 2015. SpaceX has since reflown those boosters dozens of times, fundamentally changing the economics of launch. NASA. Established in 1958, a year after the Soviet Union launched Sputnik and ignited the space race, NASA has operated at the center of human spaceflight longer than any other organization. The agency developed the Saturn V rocket, still the most powerful ever flown successfully, and landed 12 humans on the moon between 1969 and 1972. Those Apollo missions remain among the most ambitious things any organization has ever completed. After the moon program, NASA flew the space shuttle for 30 years and built the International Space Station piece by piece. The Hubble Space Telescope gave humanity its clearest view of the universe, and the James Webb Space Telescope has since pushed even deeper. Today, NASA partners with private companies for transportation while focusing its own resources on exploration and science. The Perseverance rover continues exploring Mars, and the Artemis program is working to return humans to the moon as a foundation for an eventual crewed mission to Mars. NASA is no longer the only major player in space, but it remains the most experienced and scientifically productive space organization in history.